South African Chromite mine. HAIXU Abrasives Company. Founded in 1999. We imported chromite ore from highest quality chromite mine in South Africa. It is produced in accordance with the standard of AFS, widely used in casting, steel and glass, advanced pre-treatment processes in local mines in South Africa include the advanced mining technology, preliminary broken, preliminary screening, and preliminary cleaning. Our company has from the United States, Germany, Italy, Japan, South Korea, Russia, Malaysia, and Vietnam, about 40 countries of foreign customers, to establish long-term relations of cooperation. In 2018, we founded our own production base of chromite sand in Lianyungang Port, China. We import crushing chrome ore from South Africa and washing, drying, dust cleaning, sieving, testing, and packaging in China port. HAIXU Abrasives Company covers over 20,000 square kilometers, owning production, accounting, purchasing, importing, exporting, after-sales service, logistics, quality control, departments with all kinds of testing equipment, including OMEC, slab sieve, and microscope. Combining traditional crafts and advanced equipment. All staff from HAIXU Abrasives hope to cooperate with you sincerely, and finally to get a win-win situation.